If you feel awkward on camera, you're not alone. In fact, most people, lots of people hesitate to show up on video because they think they don't look good enough or sound good enough or simply don't know what to say. But here's the truth. Your ability to make money online is directly tied to how often people see and hear you. And the fastest way to do that, video. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways video can literally triple your revenue, even if you feel uncomfortable on camera. And stick around, because at the end of this video, I got something special for you that will help you show up confidently on video in just 5 days. So let me ask you something. Have you ever watched someone's video online and felt an instant connection? Like you knew them personally? Well, maybe they weren't the best speaker. Maybe they stumbled over a few words, but somehow you still trusted them. That's because video is the fastest way to build trust, attract clients, and grow your business. And the best part, you don't need to be a pro or be a guru or have Hollywood-style production. You just need to start, all right? So let me break down the 3 powerful ways video can 3x your revenue, starting with the most important one. Number 1, video builds instant trust faster than any other marketing method. See, people buy from people they trust. When people see your face, hear your voice, and watch your expressions, they naturally feel more connected to you. Imagine walking into a networking event where you don't know anyone. And would you trust someone more if you got to talk to them face to face, or if they just handed you a business card and walked away? Fact is, 82% of consumers, they feel more connected to brands after watching their video content. But if you're hiding behind text posts or images, you're missing out on the most powerful connection available, your own presence. See, when I first started doing video online, I was uncomfortable too. I thought, what if I say something dumb? What if I look weird on camera, right? But guess what? Once I started showing up, my engagement skyrocketed, my audience grew, and my revenue increased. And people started telling me, hey, I feel like I already know you before we even talk. That's the power of video. See, think about your favorite influencer or entrepreneur. Hopefully the marketing Superman, right? But do you feel like you know them because of their content? That's because video makes them familiar to you. Now imagine if your audience felt the same way about you. Number 2, video converts 3 times better than text alone. See, people need to see it before they believe it. Have you ever noticed that when you watch someone explain something, it makes way more sense than just reading about it? That's because visual content is processed 60,000 times faster than text. Fact is, landing pages with video increases conversions by up to 86%. See, video isn't just another piece of content, it's a conversion machine. Cha-ching, cha-ching, my friend. See, I used to write long, detailed posts explaining my coaching program, but when I switched to video, my sales quadrupled. Why? Because people could actually hear me explain it in my own words. They could see my passion, they could feel my energy, and that made them trust the offer even more. So if you're selling anything online, my friend, video is the closest thing to having a real sales conversation with someone. And the best part about it, my friend, it works for you 24/7, even while you're snoring away in your bed, even while you are asleep, my friend. And point number 3, video gives you an unfair advantage over your competition. See, most folks are just too afraid to use video. So if you do, you're automatically gonna stand out. 80% of businesses are already using video to drive leads and sales. The question is, what about you? Are you doing the same? Now imagine 2 business owners selling the same thing. One just posts about it, and the other actually speaks to their audience on video. Who do you think gets more engagement, makes more sales, and much more loyalty? See, facts is, videos actually get shared 1,200% more than text and images combined online today. Your audience, my friend, they're watching videos every day. If they're not watching yours, guess what? They're watching your competition's. I had a client named Sharon who was really terrified of video, scared to death of doing video. She felt awkward, didn't know what to say, and wanted everything just to be perfect. But I was able to begin to coach her through all this, and after just one video, her engagement doubled. A few weeks later, she actually started getting clients from her videos alone, my friend. That's how powerful this is. So if you're afraid of looking awkward on video, let me tell you something. Your awkward video is still outperforming the most polished post that you never publish. So now you know. Video builds trust, converts better, and gives you an unfair advantage, which is a good thing to have, right? And the best part, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start, all right? And I want to help you do exactly that right now. I've created a free 5-day video challenge where I'll walk you step by step through creating confident, engaging videos, even if you never recorded before. And by the end of 5 days, you'll have your first or best video done, your confidence boosted, and a game plan to start using video to grow your business fast. Click the link in the description to join for free, and let's get you showing up on video like a prizzo, like a pro, my friend. And here's the deal. Don't wait. Don't put this off. Don't procrastinate. Your audience is already watching videos. It's about time they start watching yours, my friend. So I'll see you inside the challenge.